What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Hey, I don't know if you laugh. Only me know if you laugh this one. Only me know if you laugh this one. Okay. So what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? You're welcome again. See this person asking me, where is my RAM mate? I no kill Ram. I didn't kill any Ram. I didn't tell anybody I killed any Ram. So why are you asking me of Ram? Guys, if you are just joining, make sure you drop your location. Let me know where you are joining us from. Let's go. Let's do that right now. We have some things to cover this morning. Some things that, if you know it, you can independently trade yourself. So that's what we're going to be teaching ourselves this morning. So let me know where you're joining us from. From Delta State. Okay, let's go. Let's drop the location. Let's smash the like button. Yeah, Victoria from Delta State. Andy from Las Gidi. Billy from Bayelsa. Come on, let's drop it. Let's drop the location. Let's drop the location. How you guys doing? I miss you guys. I miss you guys. I don't know if you guys miss me, Sha. Yeah. Let's drop the location. Let's get started. Let's get started. Bolaji Olabi, where are you joining us from today? And as you are joining, please make sure you smash the like button. Smash it like. Yeah, somebody say they miss me more. Yeah. I miss you guys. I swear. So Dabson from London, UK. Come on. How is London today? How is Bayelsa? How is Delta State? How is Las Gidi? Come on, guys, let's do this fast. Can't hear me, okay? That shouldn't be. It should probably be from. Can you guys hear me? It should probably be from your end. Everybody is hearing me, and that's why they are actually dropping their location. Who can't hear me aside from Prince Adesoye? Who else can't hear me? Yeah, you're welcome, Bolaji from Enugu. Who else can't hear me? Let me just understand if it is only just peculiar to Prince, or it is a general thing, so that I can just fix my audio from here. I know they answer this guy, Sheriff. I know they answer you. Because I don't know where Trent is there for Nigeria. Drop your location at the type Trent. I asked that kind of question. Guys, make sure you smash the like button. Okay. So every other person can hear me. Prince, I think it's from your end. You can leave and join back again. Shibueze from Ojo, Lagos, you're welcome. Make sure you are smashing the like button as you guys are coming in. Just keep smash the like button. Keep smashing it. I'm thinking about giving us a background sound that will make this thing to just keep flowing. So let me just look for maybe a background sound and put it up for us. Put it up. Where did I even save the folder of those my songs? Guys, keep joining and keep dropping your location. I'm looking for the background music for us. See how guys we just start like that. I'm not saying it. Okay. Guys, what do you think? Should I put the background music? Okay, while I'm trying to fix up the background issue, let me just quickly acknowledge all that have been here. I have Shibueze is from Ojo, Lagos State. Shibueze can hear me. Adepeju Adenuga from Oyo State. Graham Lewis from Delta State. Graham Lewis, what's up now? It's been a while. I miss you, guy. Sheriff now finally says from Adepeju. Imagine that guy no one serious. Andy says from Ojo, Lagos too. From Ogun State. Kodri Abiola is from Ogun State. So, guys, let's get started. How was your weekend? How was it like? How was your baby peeps journey like? If you have been to baby peeps, because let's just start from there, because you know what I'm going to teach you today, you will understand it if you have started doing something yourself. You might have a little understanding if you have never started anything, but if you have been around the forest for a long time. So, but if you want to understand this that I'm about to teach right now, it will resonate so much with you more if you have been on that baby peeps team. I've asked you guys to be. So guys, how far with your baby peeps journey? What level have you been? How many classes have you been able to cover? Quickly, give me some recap about what you've been going through about your baby peeps, your progress so far. Let's quickly do that. Quickly give me your progress so far. Let's do that. I'm waiting. Okay. Yeah, Graham, Lewis is still in baby pips. Like, how is your journey so far? Where are you currently? What's the current lesson? What lesson are you studying currently? Let's quickly move to the chat. I need like few answers to get into the chat so that I'll know you guys are with me. You have completed 9 lessons. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. But you have a long way to go, guys. Remember, you have over 300 lessons there, which I believe if anybody go through it, trust me, you are going to have a good perspective of the market, and then you are going to start making some great progress for yourself. Trust me, you've just got to put that discipline in place. You've got to put that sacrifice in place for your success and for your growth. So Graham Lewis has completed 115 classes, which is very, very quite interesting. I am the lady from Lagos. How you doing, brother? I don't miss you too. So aside from these two people, who others are making some progress in their in their baby pips? Let me know. If I didn't see this background music, I'll just move on. I'll just move on. Okay, so I'm satisfied with my progress. I'm satisfied with my progress. The test really is something I like, testing my knowledge growth. I'm starting next on lesson 80, taking it at my place where I can fully understanding the trading skill. That's quite interesting, Mr. Andy. Keep doing that. Kodri Abiola said he's still on the 100 lesson. Yeah, you are up. You still have like you have covered like 1/3 of the lesson, because it's over 300 lessons. So for you to have covered 100 lessons, and Graham Lewis too, you guys are on your way to actually get it, get it right. Adekweju Adenuga say lesson 35. I'm really enjoying it. Come on, keep doing that. So with this now, guys, I know a lot of these people that have actually told me about their progress in the baby pips will actually resonate with the teaching I want to do today. What I want to do today is I want to show you guys how to draw a major level, which is going to actually require me to do a top-down analysis. I'm going to actually show you guys how to draw a major levels and a minor levels. So these major levels are going to be what we are going to be waiting for. And once market gets there, the only thing we are going to be waiting. The only thing that's going to be left for us to do is to get a confirmation whether to buy or to sell. So, but fair of us, we need to know how to draw that major level and that minor level. Minor level too, we can take trade from minor level, but major level is the strongest area. So why minor level? You can take trades there too, but at the same time you can use it as your TP. Do you understand? So now I'll go into the screen right now and I'll show you how to draw the major level and the minor level, which is going to actually warrant me to be doing a top-down analysis. So let's get to the game. And if you're just joining us, make sure you smash the like button. If you are totally new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and then together we are going to grow in this forex journey, and we are going to be very, very successful, financially successful by the grace of the mercy of the Most High God. So guys, while we are doing this, I think I should now officially welcome you to my screen, which I'm about to do right now. So welcome to my screen, guys. Now today, this is my gold, this is my gold my gold chart. So now looking at my screen right now, you're seeing my gold chart. I can decide to use this gold chart. I'm going to delete everything on this chart, and then I'll start from afresh, draw the minor level, draw the major levels, and I can decide to choose other pairs too. I can decide to choose other pairs too. I have BTC USD. So guys, get used to my my recent watch list. In fact, I'm looking for how I'm going to actually streamline this watch list to maybe like few more. I think I have like 9 pairs I'm looking at right now. I'm not focusing on so much pairs anymore. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have like 10. So I think I'll be removing AUD USD from my watch list, and I'll be removing I want to leave Euro USD and GBP USD. As time goes on, I'm going to remove one. USD CAD and USD CHF, I'm going to remove one of it as time goes on. NAS 100 and US 30, I'm going to remove one as time goes on. So, but for now, so guys, if you want to start, if you want to draw your major level, let me let you guys understand what a major level is. Look at this thing that I draw here. This is my major level. My major level is the one I draw with this color. I have this tiny white and gray color. So you can see that when market gets to this major level that I draw here, you can see since then what happened. The market has been coming down. It has come here, and look at this, my minor level. This my minor level is one I draw with green color. You can see that market were getting there, was respecting it, and finally was able to break out of it. And when it break out of it, it got to my major level. They no burn away. It has to start coming back down when it get to the major level. So it started coming back down. And it get to this level. You can't just break it, because this place is not just an anyhow place. You can see that this. Remember, this chart that I'm showing you right now is a 4-hour time frame. So every candlestick you are seeing right here on this screen is one candle is lasting for 4 hours. So you understand how long this trade has been. So now, when this market finally goes to the price where I have my minor level, you can see it couldn't break it easily. It has to retest. You know, it got a rejection of about 8 hours candle was around that area. This is 2 4 hours candle here. Let me zoom it out so that you guys can see it. You can see we have 1, 2. All these 2 candles lasted for 4 hours each, making it 8 hours. So 8 hours for this candle to still be playing around here, because it's a minor level and it has to respect it. In fact, my minor level sometimes is a major level for others, because of the way I do my own analysis. I draw my major and minor. My major levels, I draw them from monthly and weekly. My minor levels sometimes weekly and daily on 4 hours. So sometimes my minor level service is even strong, that you can actually base a trade decision on it. So now, after I finally broke it, you can see that is when it has started consolidating around here. This is Bitcoin. This is BTC USD. So now but I think I should just do gold. Let me do gold, because gold happens to be one of the pairs we trade the most. One of the pairs we trade the most. So honestly, since last week, I've not been seeing any opportunity in the market. Maybe because I'm just busy with holiday enjoying. So maybe when I do this top-down analysis now, we are going to see opportunity together in the market, and we're going to take advantage of it. So right now, let me clear all these charts, all of these charts. Let me clear everything. You can see that I have my major level and minor level everywhere, and I'm just going to clear everything and do it from top to bottom. We are present right now. So I'll come here. I'll come to delete, remove all my 24 drawings. So all the drawings is gone. Now I'm left with a blank chart. So for me to start drawing my major and minor level, I hope you guys are with me. For me to start drawing my major and minor level, the first thing I need to do is to go to the higher time frame. Let me know if you guys are with me. Okay, just make sure you guys are following. If you have any question, put it on the chat box. As time goes on, I'll come to it at interval and answer your questions. So now I'm having a blank chart right now. So now this is my blank chart. I need to now draw a major level and a minor level. So for me to do that, I have to start from the highest time frame. That's the higher time frame, starting from the monthly time frame. Now this is a monthly time frame. This is a monthly time frame. So looking at this right now, you will see that all the candle that you are seeing, each and all of these candles that you are seeing on this chart right now, lasted for 1 month each. Lasted for what? 1 month each. So now, where do we start from? Looking at this chart, just looking at it, my blue candles are the buy candle, my red candle are the sell candle. So now, looking at this chart right now, you want to be like, where are the major turning points in the market? That's the first thing you want to ask yourself. Where are the major turning points in the market? Okay, so that major turning points in the market are going to serve as a major and minor level. And then another thing is that I'm not going to go into details with that today, because on monthly time frame, another thing you can look out for is candlestick pattern. Okay, so but that's not what we are taking today. That's going to actually digress us. So now let me go and pick my triangle tools. I have it here, rectangle tools. So taking my rectangle tools will help me to actually draw my major and minor level. This major and minor level can also be called a support and resistance, or supply and demand zone. So but one thing I need you to understand is that I've said it before and I'm going to say it again. Support and resistance, major levels, supply and demand, they are not supposed to be in one tiny line. One tiny line is too small, because those places are zones. In reality of the market, you will understand that major levels, support and demand, support and resistance zones are not one particular price. They are around a particular price. They are zones of a price. So now I'm going to draw this right now, because I noticed that the market actually take a shape, took, let me extend this to the future. So guys, you agree with me, and I will explain to you why I first of all draw here. So you guys will agree with me that this one that I just draw here, is a very good major levels. It must not be too wide, because we are on the monthly time frame. If you switch to lower time frame, you will see that this thing is big, so that's why it has to be very small. So look at it from here. I started drawing this thing from here. You can see that this place, when the market was coming all the way from 2006, it was coming all the way here 2007 and 2008. It got to this level. Once it got to this level, which is about 1037 or something thereabouts, gold actually went back down. So there's a rejection here. Something actually pushed the price back down here. So which when it was coming, it couldn't even pass beyond this level too. This is actually going to make me think about here, this place right now. This place too is a kind of another level that I have to look at, because when this thing was coming back down, why can't it continue keep coming back down? But it got here, it stopped, and it started going back up. That means there's another level here, which is this. Where is my rectangle? There's another level here. There's another level here. So that is the psychology of the market. That's how you understand the market movers, how they actually think and how they are making their decisions. So my chart will always be neat because I always, you can see. So I'll prove this to you right now, why this place is very, very key. Let me prove it to you. You can see that when this market was here, this was 2006, this market got here, it couldn't sustain above this place. One whole month candle exhaust back into this level, so it couldn't break it, and you can see the way they have been trying to break it. So look at how many months that this market have been trying to break here. Finally, when it finally broke it, it rallied up to this level. This thing pushed it back down, but this place was it's a major level. That's why it couldn't go down beyond this level, and before it started rallying back up. And once it rallied back up, it was able to break here. It broke here, it came back to retest. Anywhere you see a break and retest, just know that that level is a very strong level, especially on a higher time frame. So now look at it. This one, it couldn't break it. It came back, it retested, it came back, it tried it again. Finally, it broke. Once it broke it, see, it came back to retest it. As it retested it, what happened? Boom, to the upside. I've not been trading when all these are happening, but people that have been trading will make a lot of money from here. Look at the way. And since then, when it broke here, it retested it before it started rallying to the upside. Look at it. So now this is going to actually let us know how important a major level is. So you can actually draw your major level and wait all the time for the market to actually come to that level, bounce off of that level, then take advantage of that level and take it to the next level. So to the next major level. So now we got one. The reason why we have here this market toss here, it broke it, it retested it. Look at it. It went up again and came back. It couldn't break it. It came back to retest it here again. So after it retested it here, you can see it has never come back to that level again. That is showing you how strong this level that I draw is. So aside from this level that we've just drawn here right now, where is another major level for us in the market? Even though there's a chart pattern in this play that I'm seeing right now, I'm seeing an head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern here, because this happens to be the head. You have one shoulder here, another shoulder here. This is the neckline here. The market broke it, and this how the market have been rallying to the upside since then. So, but that's not what we're going to be talking about today. But what we're going to be doing right now is to draw another major level. So now, there's no need to be taking another rectangle again. All I'll just do is that I'll just clone. Now let me just clone this. Let me clone this. I think this one is too wide. Let me. So even though I'm going to actually shrink it, I'm going to make sure it's still touching where it should touch. Okay, I think it's touching. So now I'm going to clone this. So having cloned it, and I'm going to drag it to another major level that I'm seeing that the market respected. You have to take your time, make sure it's touching all the necessary areas it's supposed to touch. Okay guys, so now I've just drawn another major level. Why? Because if you look at this market got here, this place was not really a serious thing, because it got here, it couldn't just go, it had to come down before it finally break. It came down here again, it break it, it came to retest it. You can see 2 month candle, 2 bullish candle here. So then it came back all the way to this level, and once it came back to this level, you can see it came here, it retest it, it couldn't break it, it came back down. It came back up here again, it couldn't break it, it came back down. It tested it, finally was able to break it. And once it break it, you can see it actually did something like a retest to this level, and then since then the market has been rallying up. So now we have another major level there. So you have to look at how many times the market actually touched that level and respected that level. At least you have to touch it like 2-3 times or more for you to confirm that area as a very, very major level. So now I'm going to draw another one. Okay, so I'm drawing another one, this another major level. Are you guys with me? Let me check. Okay, you guys are with me. So now this level that I just draw here right now, you can see this market respected here, it respected here, it couldn't break it, it rallied back down. And when the market came here, it was able to break it, but it couldn't break it back down again. It was respecting this level until finally break it and get back from it again. So this is another major level from the market. So then we do another one, we clone it, we bring another one to this up here. Okay, so now for now, having drawn this, I will explain to you. I'm considering this, I'm considering here. I actually want it to touch here, but when I look at what has later happened, I realize that this market actually was respecting more of this price than the other one. So this one is going to be what we are going to actually put into consideration, but this one have a still touch. You see, one, it came here, another candle tried to break above, it couldn't break above. You can see this red candle, it couldn't break above, it came back down below that major level. See this again, this one too again, they couldn't break it. Even this, the one that has the major level below, they couldn't break it too. They were trying to break it, but they were finding themselves back, going back up. Look at this one too, he tried to break it, but we got one bullish engulfing candle and throw it back into that level. So look at it. So now since about 2020, that gold has been trading around here, it has not been able to close above this major level we just draw right now. So another confirmation for us to know if gold is going to continue going to the upside. This is just like, this is how to actually get what you know, because this is where the market is trading at the moment, and this is how to actually know the next thing the market, the next, or what you should be waiting for the market to do for you to take advantage of the market. Now you will notice one thing. This is one, each of these candles that are seen here represents 1 month. Now look at how many months since 2020 this market has been trading around here. It tried to come down, it went back into the zone. Now one thing that has never happened is that this market has never been able to close above this level. So this market currently is trading here. It has gotten up here, it has come back down again. So let's wait. We have how many days for this month to end? We have 3 days and 13 hours according to this chart. We have 3 days and 13 hours for this 1 month candle to finish. So if this 1 month candle finishes right now and then it closes above, let's say we have something like this. Let's say we have something like this. Let me just draw it. Delete. I'm just trying to draw something we could all be waiting for on gold. Should draw it now. Let me give it a color like a blue color. Guys, I'm just take it as the way you see the way I'm doing it. What matters is an understanding. So if you can get it, it doesn't even mean that it has to be long like this. Even if it's short like this, let me make it so bold so that you can see it. You can see if a candle can close like this, if a candle can close like this on a monthly candle with this level that we just draw, it is a guaranteed not guaranteed, it is an indication to us that this market wants to start going up, because it has never happened since 2020 that this market actually closed above here. So if eventually happen, that means that market has finally been able to break that level and want to come and create another historical price. Do you understand? So I'll delete this. Now. Just did it for you guys to understand. Let me just delete so you guys now know what we are waiting for on gold. So but you know, because my style is a swinging style and a day trading style, so I don't scalp. I don't like scalping anyway. I scalping, people that usually scalp, you know, I give respect to them, but you know, from where I learn, I know that smaller time frame where people usually do the scalping, they are prone to market manipulations. So but anything that holds on a higher time frame will hold, smaller time frame will not be able to do anything for it. Do you understand? And it tends to be more concrete than the smaller time frame. That's why I usually come to the higher time frame to analyze my market, down to the lower time frame, and I execute my trade from the 4 hours time frame. So now guys, having said this right now, I think I'm done with the monthly time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Now once I'm done with the monthly time frame, you know, what we are expecting to happen is on the monthly time frame, not on the weekly, because if you look at the weekly, you can see there are some noises here, so which will look like this market. Let me take it a little bit up. Okay, so if you look at the weekly time frame, you can see, because all this candle you are seeing here is going to be forming of 5 day each, like Monday to Friday, 1 week. So all this candle there you are seeing here, but the one we just left now is the monthly candle, which is about 1 hour, 1 month each. So now we are back on the weekly time frame. So this weekly time frame will let us look, is there any other major level that we need to look out for that we didn't see? I wouldn't call this place a major, would I call it a major level, because we have a triple bottom here and the market rally up from there. So that place we've got to respect it, in case if the market want to later come down to that area. So I will draw it like a minor level. So this is what I use. I use the rotated rectangle to draw my minor level, because actually the market is supposed to be coming to this major level below here, but this thing was the one that actually the market got to this level and then couldn't go further. So that means that area is kind of strong. You got to pay a kind of you can see the market tends to actually respect that place in the past too. Let's look at it. The market actually respected that area in the past too. So this place will actually serve as, if the market wants to start selling, for instance, and we break this level to this down here, we are going to be targeting here as our TP, because we know that market can just reverse from here. So if eventually now break it, then we'll now be targeting here. Do you understand? So but here happens to be a minor level, because this market got here and it started going back up. So now on the weekly time frame, that's what we've just been seeing for ourselves. And another thing you should notice is that we are having a triple top. This is on a monthly time frame. Let's go back to monthly time frame. We will see that this market got here, it came back down. This market got here, it came back down. This market is now here again. Let's see how this market will close. If this market closes below, then we should be expecting a triple bottom. Is an indication that the market wants to start going to the to the downside. When we get a triple top, 1, 2, 3, the market has actually tested it 3 times, 3 major times, which is the monthly from 2020 to 2023. It has tested it, so that means the market will want to start going down. But if it eventually break it, then the market will go and create an historical price above. So this is all I have for gold on the weekly and monthly. So now I'm supposed to be looking for other places. I can draw a minor level to this level too. I can actually draw another minor level here, but because the market has not gotten to this level, that's the reason why I'm not really concerned. But I can just drag this here. I can drag this here because I could see that the market actually respected this level. So okay, I'm coming. I want to make sure it's straight. Okay, I think it's straight now, so I can extend it to the future. So now I can shrink it. You agree with me that this market was actually respecting here So in between major levels there are going to be like a 50%, which happens to always be here. So this one is not straight. It's not straight. Okay. So that's that about gold. So with what I've drawn now, we can go to the daily time frame to see if we can spot other minor levels. So because anytime we enter monthly daily time frame, there's nothing we are spotting other than a minor level. When we are not scalping or we are not even if we want to day trade, we can day trade with the minor levels and things like that, but we must not draw our major level other than from the monthly and from the weekly. Note that. So now we are on the daily time frame. We are on the daily time frame, and then we are looking at the language the market is speaking. You can see this is a triple bottom. When I was talking about triple bottom on the monthly time frame the other time, I said once the market was not able to break that top, the market will eventually do what? Rally to the downside. So now it's just example of what any time frame that thing happens, you are going to see it play out. But one thing about higher time frame is that if you see anything happen on the higher time frame, it will hold, it will happen, it will give you assurance, like it will give you a peace of mind that this thing will hold, it will play out very well, other than if you are seeing it on the lower time frame. But I'm going to actually use this example for you guys. See, when this market was coming here, it got here. This is the first time it got here. It went back up. It came back to retest. Ordinarily, if it got here, we have been like, okay, it came back to retest. It's supposed to give us another lower low, but it couldn't give us lower low. It gave us equal low, which is double bottom. A double bottom is an indication that the market wants to reverse to the other side. So now this double bottom, now we'll be looking at, okay, I guess this market is not ready to give us another lower low. It now went up again. It came back again to give us another triple bottom. This is an assurance that the market is going. So once we see something like this and we got this bullish engulfing candle, we can actually enter this market from here and then put our stop losses somewhere around here and then we ride it to the upside. So, and even if you go to the 4 hours time frame, we could probably see another I wouldn't even want us to pick our entry from here. Since we see something like this, we can go to our 4-hour time frame and we can get a good entry for ourselves here. Don't pick your trade from the monthly time frame from the daily time frame. Don't enter trade from the daily time frame unless there are some reason behind that. Sometimes you have to just pick your trade from daily time frame if need be, but not all the time. What I just want to do, if to say we are looking at this market, the way we are going to actually take advantage of this market is this. This is 4-hour time frame. We got our first here. Come here, it came back to retest. You can see it came back here. So once it came back here, we have seen that this is when it got here. See, boom, bullish engulfing. It came back to this level again, boom, bullish engulfing. It came back again, 1 2 3. Once we see that it has broken here, we can enter our trade from here, put our stop losses here, and then we can ride it to this level. Let me just do it so that you guys can understand what I'm saying. We can enter this trade from here, put our stop losses below this major level, below this minor level, sorry, and then we can target here. This is our next major level. Can you guys see it now? So this is how we can actually, if to say this market, this is how we can actually take advantage of this market, because we have seen that boom, it tested here, it retested it, couldn't give us another lower low, it gave us a double bottom. Okay, probably it went up, it came back again, then we'll have been like, okay, I guess this market wants to just, if it cannot break again, then that means it's going to start going to the upside. So we are just going to take advantage of it to the upside. And look at it, it rallied to the upside. This is how many pips stop loss. We're having like this thing is not very clear. I think it's 75 pips. 75 pips, and our target is it, let me check properly. Let me use my price range. Okay, wow. This trade is not for small account owners. So we have about 340 pips to over 1000 pips. This is a swing trade for big account holder, because looking at this minor level from here to here, we have over 300 pips stop loss. 300 pips stop loss. It's not for somebody that have a small account to take over 1000 pips profit, and this like 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. You are risking 300 to make over like almost over times 3 of what you are risking. Do you understand? So, but either way, that is why it is good to trade a big account. So, but what I just want us to know is that this is what is possible, and this is how to actually analyze market. And what we are waiting for on gold as we speak, this is a monthly time frame. This is a 4 hours time frame. As we speak right now, gold has been giving us something like a double bottom here, if not triple bottom self. So then another thing you are going to know is that when you now come to the bigger time frame like this, you've got to now, these things are too big. You are going to actually shrink it. Let's go to daily time frame to shrink it. Almost.
Are you live now?
Yeah. Okay. So we've been able to shrink this major level up here, so that it won't just take all the spaces. So what we are going to be waiting for next, now we go to our go to the 4 hours time frame where we usually execute our trade. Okay, I'm seeing something like a minor level around here, so I'm going to actually draw it, or I can draw it with a line. No, let me draw it with this. If I want to sell this market, I want to see it break below this thing I just draw. You can see that the market was respecting it too. The market usually respects here. It has always been respecting here. So even if you break it, it came back to retest. Look at it, break it here, it came back to retest. You can see. So the market has always been respecting here. So even right now, I just see a trade opportunity for us, guys. Let's sell gold to this level. Let's sell gold to this level. Let's sell gold right now. Let's sell good. I just quickly spot an opportunity. This is a 4 hour candle that closed just now, and don't overreach. We just get a trade opportunity right now. Our stop losses will be here, and our take profit will be here. So guys, sell gold right now. Sell gold. We are going to be risking about 50 pips to make like 100 pips. So 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So let me type it out for you guys. Sell gold right now. Sell gold. Our stop loss is going to be 1992 or 1992, not 1993. Just put it to 1993. And our take profit will be 1979. I need to type it out for you guys. Let me put it on our signal channel. Come on guys, if you are listening to me, you should be in profit right now. 1993, and our first level target can be somewhere around here. 1985. 1985. TP1. 1985. TP2. Come on guys, just enter if you are just joining us. 1981. TP3 will be 1977. Okay, so if you are joining us right now, if you're on this live session, so that's how it works, guys. That's how it works. What we are risking here is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which is very, very good. We knew that this market is going to actually respect here, and this is a major level here that it has just been able to close below the major level. It's an indication that this market wants to now come back to retest here, probably give us another double bottom. This is 1, 2, 3. It has given us a triple bottom here, so this one to ascend it down, so probably want to come and give us another triple bottom. Who knows? But if you are in this trade, don't over leverage. Let's see how it's going to play out. At the end of the day, we are going to update ourselves. So that will be all. You can see Nigeria Nepal. So that will be all for tonight, guys. So if you have any question before we call it a day, any question so far? Yeah. Manage your trade properly. Don't over leverage. So any question? Any question? Yeah, you're welcome, Juliana Akinshoju. I appreciate you too. Thank you. Any question before we call it a day? So by God's grace, tomorrow we are going to actually review the trade again, because we are going to do another live session tomorrow by the grace of God. So we'll now look at how the trade play out. If the trade eventually give us profit as we have projected, fine. If it doesn't give us profit, then we'll know why does it not give us the profit. We analyze it together again. But for now, I believe we should be good. So that'll be all for now, guys. So till I come your way again tomorrow by the grace of God, keep winning, and always remember that Diamond Aridoh does love you guys. So bye from here, guys.